JSC Tupolev, which is a subsidiary of Rostec State Corporation, has set up an innovative design center to improve the Tu-214 medium-haul airliner. The power plant is one of the components that the design center will address. At present, the airplane is powered by two PS-90A turbofan engines. It is not yet known whether JSC Tupolev is in the process of pursuing a complete engine replacement. If it does, there is one option, the R579-300 engine. The Kazan Aviation Plant, a branch of PJSC Tupolev, the maker of the Tu-214, was visited by Deputy Prime Minister of Russia Yuri Borisov and the President of Tatarstan Rustam Minnikhanov on March 22, 2022, to gain an understanding of the company's operations. The General Director of PJSC United Aircraft Corporation, Yuri Slyusar, the Managing Director of PJSC Tupolev, Vadim Korolev, and the Director of the Kazan Aviation Plant, Nikolai Savitsky, was also present. The main subject of discussion during the visit was the expansion of the production of Tu-214 passenger aircraft. The Kazan Aviation Plant will be able to manufacture a minimum of 10 Tu-214 aircraft annually in the future. These figures have changed in 2024. One of the discussion were that the Tu-214's competitiveness can be improved by the development of a 20-ton propulsion engine by specialists at AMNTK Soyuz. This engine will enable flights lasting from 1,000 kilometers to 13,000 kilometers. The R579-300 engine developed by Salyut would serve as the foundation for the 20-ton engine. Its base gas generator had accumulated more than 3,500 operational hours by 2022, which included 500 flight hours. It features unique characteristics that exceed those of known engines. The 20-ton engine has a turbine inlet temperature of 1630 Kelvin, a bypass ratio of 5.62, and a specific fuel consumption of 0.398 kilogram per kilogram force per hour. The application of the 20-ton engine for the Tu-214 aircraft has been suggested to the Ministry of Transport by specialists at AMTK Soyuz. The possibility of installing the R579-300 engine on the Tupolev Tu-214 raises substantial concerns regarding operational viability, efficiency, and performance. The aircraft is equipped with two PS-90A turbofan engines, each of which generates approximately 16,000 kilogram force of thrust. This comparison will examine the technical parameters of both engines, examining their advantages and disadvantages in the context of the Tu-214's operational and design requirements. The PS-90A engine is a contemporary turbofan engine that is specifically engineered for medium to long-range aircraft. It provides a bypass ratio of approximately 4.4. This design is responsible for the relatively low specific fuel consumption, which is estimated to be 0.595 kilogram per kilogram force per hour. The Tu-214 can attain a maximum takeoff weight of 100 metric tons and a range of approximately 5,650 kilometers when fully loaded. This is due to the PS-90A's thrust characteristics. Nevertheless, the PS-90A has been subjected to criticism for its fuel efficiency in comparison to newer engines from Western manufacturers, resulting in increased operational costs. In addition, the engine's maintenance intervals are shorter than those of certain competitors, which may result in an increase in life cycle costs. Conversely, the R579-300 engine is a turbojet that can generate a maximum thrust rating of 21,000 kilogram force when equipped with afterburners. As part of a new generation of aircraft engines, it was developed and shows a number of advanced features. These features include a higher bypass ratio of up to 5.62 in specific configurations and a lower specific fuel consumption of approximately 0.398 kilogram per kilogram force per hour when optimized for specific applications. The R579-300's design enables substantial adaptability, which includes the potential for modifications to accommodate vertical takeoff and landing applications. Its robust design is intended to achieve exceptional performance without the need for intricate materials or manufacturing processes. The integration of the R579-300 derivative into the Tu-214 platform necessitates taking into account of many different factors. The aircraft's payload capacity and range could be theoretically improved by the R579-300's increased thrust. Nevertheless, this would result in a corresponding increase in the aircraft's weight and complexity, as modifications would be necessary to accommodate the unique operational and mounting characteristics of a turbojet engine in comparison to a turbofan. Additionally, the R579-300 may not be well suited to the operational profile of the Tu-214, despite the potential performance advantages it may offer. In comparison to turbofans such as the PS-90A, turbojets such as the R579-300 are inefficient during takeoff and landing phases, but they typically perform better at higher speeds and altitudes. This could result in an increase in fuel consumption during these critical periods of flight, which could negate some of the benefits that the aircraft has acquired as a result of its superior thrust capabilities. However, if the engine is added with an afterburner, this proposal may make sense. Furthermore, the integration of an engine such as the R579-300 would necessitate a comprehensive testing and certification procedure to guarantee compatibility with the current systems on the aircraft. The Tu-214 has been engineered to adhere to the PS-90A's specifications. Therefore, any modifications could involve substantial redesign efforts that may not be justified solely by performance improvements. Although there are theoretical benefits to installing an R579-300 engine on a Tupolev Tu-214, particularly in terms of thrust capacity, the practical implications present a variety of obstacles. Because of its established reliability within the existing fleet and its efficacy during various flight phases, the PS-90A remains more suitable for the operational requirements of medium-range commercial aviation. In the final analysis, any decision concerning engine modification must evaluate these technical parameters in relation to the economic viability and operational requirements of the current aviation market. Now, do you think the R579-300 engine derivative is suitable for the Tu-214? Let us know in the comments. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.